Oh, this is a fun box. You've got fishing weights. Okay. Empty. Empty.
Yep. Bullet casings?
And then nothing but bullet casings.
Good on you, Larry.
What is the purpose? I swear to God, if we like go to World War III and I have to fucking come in here and make my own bullets, I'm gonna be so pissed at him.
Oh shit! What's up, buddy?
What do you got?
A big ass spider.
I just found one too.
That's a big motherfucker.
You
Wow. Yeah, it's alive. He doesn't look happy with me either.
This is a homemade air conditioner.
Oh, really?
That my dad made, yeah. So if you look in it right here, you can see the fan. And all it is basically is it just kind of cycles air. So you turn it on and this spins and it, you know, sucks in air from back here and the sides and vents it through. But so here, hold this. When you turn it on, I'll show you.
Oh, that is quite cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Wow.
yeah, and it blows really cold air. So, I think what I'm going to do, the problem is that these two bolts right here are coming out. So, I'm going to fix these real fast while we're here. Stay tuned.
Whoa. Chair repair.
I have an idea for another video.
Hey, nice hat.